This short video shows how to buy shares of Powell Max Ltd, a publicly traded company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker PMAX. This is an educational video and not financial advice. To purchase shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker PMAX to find the listing. Select the matching Powell Max Ltd entry to open the stock page. On the stock page, review the company's basic information and the price chart to confirm it is the correct asset. Make sure the ticker shows PMAX and that the market is NASDAQ. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may become pending. And if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in the Portfolio tab once the order is executed or pending. A soft reminder, the eToro link is available in the description if you want to follow the same steps.